videos. I'm Vikas. Today I'm going to show you invisible ink experiment. Come, let's go to our video. The needed materials are baking soda, glass, water, candle, matchbox, earbuds and A4 sheet. Now take the baking soda, see, letters are coming. Completely letters are visible now. Let me tell you the reason. The paper is made up of cellulose. When you are applying baking soda solution, it disturbs the cellulose material. When you are heating gently, the disturbed area gets darkened faster than the undisturbed area. Using this technique, you can write lot of secret letters. Bye guys. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe the channel. Bye.